Okay, Larry, here's what I got. Here's the acetylene set. Um, Oxygen and acetylene tank. Um, the torch hoses. It's a home. Look, the cart is homemade, but it's well made. Just a few extra tips and some protective goggles in there. So that's that set. Then this is the welder. Weld Pack 3200 HD with an argon tank and this 75-25 mix. That's the one that's hooked to the welder right now. The argon's not obviously hooked to it. There are just a bunch of clamps and stuff. There's the ground cable. Another, just I think that's more of a protective shade. It's not a welding helmet. There is a newer helmet in that box, but it's just I think it's just a Chicago Harbor Freight brand, and just probably the stock gun or whatever you call it. And there is another one of those. There's two of those. Another one somewhere. I don't know what deal with it. Laying probably, I think, down in the bottom. I did turn it on and push the trigger on the gun, and it did feed the wire, but I haven't tried to weld nothing. But there's that crack I was telling you about. Kind of a bummer. And it looks like this whole front is one piece. If I could get that, I would buy that, but looks like it has the serial number and everything else on it, so probably can't buy that. I don't know. Have to find out. But anyway, it's decent shape, pretty clean. I did touch up the paint a little bit on the cart. Again, it's a homemade cart, but it is pretty sturdy. It looks pretty good. Anyway, that's what I have. Right now I'm thinking about just selling it all. I no more than I would use it. It makes no sense for me to have it sitting around. So I'm thinking about selling it all together. Not sure yet.